Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential task in Google Sheets, clearing cells. Whether you need a fresh start or want to remove specific data, knowing how to clear cells efficiently is a must. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Google Sheets document. If you're working with an existing sheet, great. If not, create a new one by clicking the colorful icon labeled blank or choose from a template. Step 2. Select the range of cells you want to clear. Click on the first cell, hold down the Shift key, and then click on the last cell in your desired range. Step 3. Go to the Edit menu at the top. Choose Clear from the drop-down. Step 4. You'll see several options. Clear Values removes the content, text or numbers, from the selected cells. Clear Formatting resets any formatting, such as font style, color, or cell borders, applied to the cells. Clear Notes deletes any cell notes you've added. Clear Data Validation removes validation rules, if any, from the cells. Step 5. Select the appropriate option based on what you want to achieve. For example, if you want to erase the data but keep the formatting, choose Clear Values. Step 6. Click your chosen option, and the selected cells will be cleared accordingly. Congratulations! You've just learned how to clear cells in Google Sheets. Keep your spreadsheets tidy and organized.